Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Hey, I know it's been a long time since I put anything up. Um, Still busy working on the remodel work here at the house, and took a little time off also to do our annual hunting trip. Did some elk hunting and deer hunting, and had a great time. My buddies did good, but I didn't do so good. But it was still worth going. So, anyways, we got a few more stickers here. These were sent over by Joe Way over at the Sierra Specialty Auto. Um, and he had some extras that he threw in. So we've got Woods Creek, that's Yochel, if I'm pronouncing it right, or Yochel. So I got his stickers. Both guys have great channels. Joe's got a lot of good content, and Yochel's channel is very entertaining. He does a great job with the editing and a lot of the extra effects. So definitely worth watching. And got a Flathead Ron's Garage sticker, and also we got the YouTube Facebook Machinist Group sticker. I don't have a Facebook account, but might have to might have to cave in and set one up eventually. So, all right, let me show you what else we got. Get this out of the way. So, I knew this was on its way. I thought Randy Richard was just sending some stickers, but anyways, we got a little package here from Randy Richard in the shop. So let's open it up and see what we got. I've been waiting for several days to open this. I didn't want to open it off camera. So let's see what we got here. Okay. Yeah, we got stickers. There we go. Really cool. And what do we got here? Let's keep that in frame there. Look at that. It's one of his scribes. Oh, okay. I don't know if this is showing up or not, but it's engraved. Randy Richard in the shop. Very cool. Protective cover. And let's see what we got here. There we go, one of his little medallions. Let's see if that shows up. Way cool. Alrighty, thank you, Randy. That's awesome. Okay, let me shuffle things around a little bit here, and I got a couple tool acquisitions to show you. Okay, so I don't remember where I got this. I'm pretty sure it was a flea market find, but it's a nice little tailstock. And if this is showing up, it's a genuine Hardinge. I guess it's a T800, if that's showing up in the casting there. It's a nice little tailstock, and it seems to be in pretty good shape. I think I got it at our local little high school flea market, and for next to nothing. So height wise, let's see what we got here. So it's a 4-inch high, and then it's about 3 inches on the base. But yeah, I mean, that's a nice little tailstock. It's a little short for my dividing heads, but I'll just make a spacer plate. Yeah. So, anyways, I was happy to find that. That's really cool. And then I think the same day, same flea market, I got these two heavy-duty clamps This one is looks like a Williams. Actually, it looks like a Vulcan. Yeah, I think it's Williams. It's hard to read that. I don't know how it's coming up in the camera. But on this side, it's a Vulcan. And this one, same thing. That's a Williams. Number 2 Vulcan. There we go. This one's a little easier to read. Not sure what happened here. I don't know if they were dragging it along the ground, you know, clamped onto something. But heck, that's minor. This one here has been modified. Someone's milled this back. They probably had something large they're trying to hold, or had to get over some kind of an edge. But yeah, and I don't remember what I paid for them. It was probably not that much. Okay, one more item. All right, so here's did a little horse trading. See if I can hold her up here. This thing weighs about 60 pounds. So it's a Wilton quick action vise, or quick action vise 1208, and it is a 8-inch capacity. And guys, this thing is a beast. Let me see if I can raise the camera up a little bit here. It's a little big to fit in the frame. Alright, maybe that's a little better. Get it all in here. Yeah, so oh, one of my buddies, I had something that he wanted really bad. And I really didn't want to take any money from him, so I go, you know, what do you got, you know, for horse trading? So he says, hey, I got a drill press vise. I go, man, I got lots of drill press vices. He goes, well, this one's kind of heavy duty, and it's a quick acting. So he showed me a picture of it, and I go, okay, deal. But anyways, here it is. It's in really good shape. I mean, the paint's hardly even chipped anywhere. There's a couple little dings, you know, drill bit dings here, but I mean, you know, basically brand new condition. Yeah, he told me it came out of a shop where they never used it. It was just sitting on the shelf way in the back. And he talked him out of it somehow. But yeah, I put it over on my drill press, and it it's almost comical, because my drill press table is only about a 12-inch table, and this thing is, oh jeez. Let's take a look here. 18 inches long, and of course it's an 8-inch jaws. But the overall width is 12 inches roughly. And I'll look at the height. It's about 4.5 inches high. Yeah, so it's a beast. Definitely a nice vise. What I'm going to do with it, I don't know. It's probably more of a woodworking or fabricating type vise. What I do like, I don't know if you guys can see this, the whole center here is open, so if you're if you need to drill all the way through something, you've got plenty of clearance down below. That's kind of a nice feature. Yeah, so anyways, that was the big find for the week. I guess I should show how this clamping mechanism works. So we're in the unlocked position now. You can just, you know, easily position the jaw, and then when you go to latch it, you just move the, let me see, this handle, just move it forward or back, I mean, and you can see it's got about, oh, not quite a 1/4 inch of travel for the lockdown. Let me grab a piece of wood. So you just put whatever you want to clamp, and tell you what, it's pretty strong. Not as strong as a machinist vise, but it's gonna, just for general purpose drilling, it's gonna do the job. Okay. And then I did wipe this down a bit when I got it, but I really haven't done anything to it other than just a wipe down and a little bit of oil. So I mean, it's in really good shape. All right, guys. Well, I'm still busy doing the remodel work. It's going to be a while still, and I was getting a little burnt out on the home remodel work, but now I'm start getting my second wind and getting back into it again. So gotta get the project done. It's hard to stay focused, but sometimes you just gotta suck it up and do it. Yeah. Alrighty, well, hey, I'm going to, if you're interested, I got about maybe a 2-minute clip of some elk running across a mountainside when I was on my hunting trip. I was on the wrong side of the canyon, so all I could do was just take photos of them or video of them. So I'll show that, and then that's going to be it for this this update. Alrighty, thanks again, guys. I think that was all of them. Oh, no, there's another one. Okay, we updated the board. We got Randy's, Uchel's, we got Joe Way's down here, Flathead Ron, and let's see, we stuck another one of Uchel's up here because we had a little space where it would fit. And let's see, YouTube Machinist is down there. It's more about size and shape of the sticker as far as placement. Trying to get everything to fit on here. I can't go much lower. I need to build a shelf down here, so I don't want to go much lower. I'll be blocking the stickers. Yeah. So, anyways, there's the latest on the sticker board. We got a few more over here at the bench. I don't want to put anything permanent on this this old computer tower because it's going to go away at some point. It's an old dinosaur that really don't even use anymore.